As part of Lira Clinical's complete skincare system, home treatments are the pillar of skin maintenance. Real skin results are maintained through professionally guided home treatments customized to your skin needs. In this featured home treatment, Pro Anti-Aging Pads are a must-have product for many. Are paired with brightening and restorative functional serums, renewing skin's healthy activity. Skin is then refreshed with cryo-temperature tightening peptides, hydrolyzed quinoa, and exclusive MASQ-tech. Perfect for any occasion or your self-care night.
Begin cleansing with the MASQ Illuminating Cleanser with a dry face and dry fingertips. Working it into the skin, MASQ Illuminating Cleanser can remove eye makeup as well as being a shave medium for male clientele. Work the cleanser into the skin, wetting the fingertips, then removing the cleanser and proceed to the next step. Now we cleanse with the Ice Sal Cleanser, working it into the skin anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes. You may feel a slight activity on the skin when using this cleanser. It slightly foams, and this is normal. Once you work it up to a lather, remove the cleanser with tepid water. Next, to detox skin by applying the ice refining mask and allowing it to penetrate for approximately 5 minutes. Do not remove the mask and massage the MASQ Illuminating Polisher on top of the skin, working it in until the mastica resin begins to dissolve. If additional moisture is needed on the skin, wet the fingertips to loosen up the ice refining mask. Allow the skin to rest for 5 to 7 minutes, then remove the complete mixture with tepid water. Next, using a swiping motion, apply a Pro Anti-Aging Pad across the entire facial area, holding on any target areas for 2 to 3 seconds. Some activity will be felt on the skin, and this is normal. A second swipe around the entire facial area can be applied if needed. Do not rinse the skin and proceed to the next step. Next, we will combine 1 pump of the Pro Light Serum and 1 pump of the MASQ Infused C, mixing it together and applying all over the facial area, brightening, nourishing, restoring, and hydrating skin, all in one application. Once the Pro Light Serum and the MASQ Infused C has been completely absorbed, proceed to your masking step by opening the MASQ Cryo Mask package from the top, removing the 2 pieces. Take the initial piece and peel off the protective liner, applying it to the top of the face, from the nose, smoothing up to the forehead and to the outer edges of the face. Repeat this process with the second piece, from the nose down to the chin. The mask will then begin to feel cold and will gradually get colder. During this time, allow the skin to rest for 20 minutes. Then, gently remove both pieces of the mask and do not rinse the skin. Finish your evening home treatment with luxury hydration with the BioHydra infusion, applying one pump to the entire facial area. Hyaluronic acid, colloidal silver, gold, multiple plant stem cells, all in one serum. It's hyaluronic acid plus so much more. Thank you for watching. For further information, please visit liraclinical.com or contact customer service at 877-440-5472. Thank you for choosing Lira Clinical. Be bright, be beautiful.